Feel the steady pulse of your heartbeat as you allow the soft pulse of your being to open up and receive this angelic light. Feel the touch of healing emerging from this contact. Allow yourself to be reached by a loving, still beyond. Sink into timelessness. Float deeper and deeper into a still white space, a place without limits, a place where only the soft pulse of your being is felt. It beats still, rhythmically, at a familiar pace. You feel the pulse of your being moving through your body. Feel a gentle, warm sensation buzzing at your fingertips. A slow and gentle feeling of electricity, of pulse, of life. Feel this vibrancy at your fingertips. Feel how it stirs life into your fingers. It moves downwards and upwards towards your heart, towards the center of your being. Feel this gently buzzing pulse moving through your fingers, from your fingertips, through your joints, and down it flows into the palm of your hands. Feel it gather here into swirling, living pools of light. Feel this living light, its warmth, its gentle, loving presence in your hands, its being merging with your being. These two pulses, this healing, living light, and the soft pulse of your being, beating in its vital, living state. Feel this light in your hands moving up, connecting to your elbows, gathering and seating itself in your shoulders, flowing down towards your chest, gathering and filling your ribcage with this living light. The two pulses close, beating in unison. Your vital force becomes rhythmic, alive, yet still. Feel the color of your heartbeat. Observe how your inner light is illuminated by this growing, living, eternal, healing life force flowing in through your hands, through your arms, gathering the center of your being in your ribcage, and from there it gently rises and it pours down in to the cauldron of your navel. This light, it moves down and fills your stomach, your navel, your center with light. It feeds it healing. And this healing, it settles in your stomach, in your organs. Feel this light as it settles in your kidneys, and there gently allows them to restore, reset, reborn. You are becoming cell by cell. You feel this light restoring your cells to their natural vibrancy. And as it pours downwards, down into your hips and pelvis, down through the root, downwards, it seeks to connect with Earth and with the eternal presence of the life which lives on around you and of which you are a part. It flows through your legs, through your knees, out through your toes, down, downwards, in to your heels, spilling downwards into Earth, growing as it flows, increasing, becoming brighter, this eternal abundant light. And you feel the warmth of it as it spills in to your heels, out through your toes. Again, feel a gentle, warm current of living light around your feet, in front of the tip of your toes, encasing them and pouring downwards into the center of the planetary mother, there to join with her core and connect to her vibrant, vital life force. Feel as these forces, they return the sacred circuitry of which you are a part. You return to it, and it flows upwards through your being, the living light and presence of life beating through you and moving upwards, 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 moving up through your throat. There, a whirlpool is gathered, and the pulses of your many bodies, your emotional reality, your mental self, your physical vital pulse, and your eternal being, they flow together with this eternal angelic light and with the living vibrancy from the core of the earth. And this admixture, it rises through your throat, up, following the back of your neck, upwards through your spine, and in to your brain. It spills, overflowing, filling your mind with light, filling your physical brain with restoration, allowing it to reset, come into itself, and revisit the world, yourself, and eternity anew. Feel this pulse beating through you. Feel this steady rhythm of your being sink into it and become one with it, and allow yourself to be this radiance, this love, this stillness as you move in to a new reality, reborn.